product demo, we'll discuss proper management and assignment of taxonomy and how the Enthink Taxonomy Manager for Optimizely achieves this. The Enthink Taxonomy Manager for Optimizely is an add-on tool which provides advanced controls for managing and assigning taxonomy to your online content. Its features and user-friendly interface expand the capabilities of Optimizely categories, while seamlessly integrating with them to provide a superior experience. Taxonomy is essential for creating dynamic content. It enables both users and editors to find and manage the desired content. Consequently, it is essential that editors have the proper tools to effectively assign the appropriate taxonomy to the fitted content. This means having a structured taxonomy that editors can easily navigate and assign only the taxonomy relevant to the content at hand. Structuring taxonomy in an efficient and intuitive way can be challenging, and as taxonomies grow, they become even more difficult to manage. Administrators need to be able to effectively manage taxonomy in order to provide authors with the means to assign taxonomy properly. This is where the Enthink Taxonomy Manager for Optimizely excels. It provides the tools needed to manage and assign taxonomy, from filtering taxonomies and resources to see only the items that matter to assigning taxonomy in bulk. Managing taxonomy in an administrative task that should not be done by editors. As such, the Enthink Taxonomy Manager admin interface can only be accessed by admins and only within the Optimizely admin interface. The Enthink Taxonomy Manager integrates with the existing Optimizely categories. This provides a seamless experience with existing projects. This not only means existing Optimizely categories can be managed within the Enthink Taxonomy Manager interface, but also any new taxonomy created will be reflected in the Optimizely category system. Managing large taxonomies can be challenging. The task is even more difficult when the tools for managing it do not provide the functionality to effectively do so. The Enthink Taxonomy Manager allows administrators to collapse the taxonomy tree and focus only on the section of the tree that is being managed. Additionally, the tree can be filtered to only show taxonomy containing specific terms. Categories and keywords can be created from the Enthink Taxonomy Manager admin interface, updated, and deleted. One of the more difficult challenges editors face when assigning taxonomy to content is knowing what taxonomy is allowed for that content. This normally requires editors to have an intimate knowledge of the taxonomy and remember what should or should not be assigned to that content. The Enthink Taxonomy Manager simplifies this process by enabling admins to filter what taxonomy can be applied to content. Normally, editors would see a full taxonomy tree when trying to assign content. When an admin assigns taxonomy filters to content, editors will only have access to those categories and all of their descendant categories and keywords. Not only does this allow editors to assign the right taxonomy to the right content, it enables top-level categories to be used for different sections of the same site, or different sites within Optimizely. This enables multiple, distinct, and purposeful taxonomies, while maintaining a unified global taxonomy. The fundamental reason for having taxonomy is to make the content easier to work with. This is accomplished by having a well-structured taxonomy, which provides meaning by virtue of the structure. Unfortunately, context is lost when individual keywords are assigned, but its structural ancestors are not. The inheritance is implied through the structure, but is not transferred to the content when only the lower-level taxonomy is applied. The Enthink Taxonomy Manager removes this burden from both the editors and developers by automatically assigning a category ancestor. This ensures that the taxonomy inheritance is maintained within the content. When an editor uses the Enthink Taxonomy Manager to assign taxonomy to content with the existing taxonomy assigned, not only is the pre-assigned taxonomy already selected, but the ancestors are selected as well. The content is assigned to the required taxonomy to reflect its inheritance. Another problem faced by editors is having to assign a large amount of taxonomy to a large amount of resources. The Enthink Taxonomy Manager expedites this process by providing the ability to assign taxonomy in bulk. To help editors find what they are looking for, both resources and the taxonomy can be filtered by title and by what items have been selected. To speed things up further, editors can select the category's children or their descendants. All of these features provide editors with the tools needed to effectively assign taxonomy to content. This concludes our demo. Thank you for watching.